Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop.com. I'm recording this all in one go with a camera looking down, a camera on me, recording my phone, and a bunch of other stuff. So if anything glitches, I apologize, but it is what it is because I've got the new GAN i3 Smart Cube. I just did a Smart Cube mega comparison. I'm going to refer to some of those other puzzles while I talk about this one, but let's go over what's new in this version. I also have the GAN robot, and we'll talk about that. We'll show that. This i3, a couple things with it. It has a gyroscope, and you can see I've already set it up with my phone, so I'll actually just put my phone right on the screen so you can see it there. It has the gyroscope. The pieces are pretty much the exact same shape as all the other GAN puzzles. You get 3 different springs, 3 different compressions. I've already put it on the strongest springs and the strongest tensions. Compression is what I said before. But it has 7 different magnet settings that you just adjust with a screwdriver. So very similar to the newer Moyu and X-Man design puzzles. Performance-wise, it performs just like all the other GAN Smart Cubes. It's really good, a little bit more stable than other regular puzzles out there because of that ball core. I've already synced it up with my phone just so it's all set because I don't want to have to do that syncing, and it synced up perfectly fine. It came pre-charged, so you do have a charging dock, and instead of having a built-in cell battery which will last about 280 hours, this will last about 15 hours. And move the cube over here so I can actually see and solve somewhat nicely. That was an odd way of doing that cross. Okay, having trouble seeing there off the side, but get the idea. So you're trading out a battery that you'd have to change every 280 hours for something you can charge that will last 15 hours. Not too bad. You probably get more than enough out of that. You can also get a battery pack that will carry it as well, that will charge it while it's being carried. The big difference between something like the Monster Go, because it's about twice the price, is the magnets. The battery is a difference, but the magnets. Now, when I was trying it, I felt like this one was a lot heavier, so I weighed them. It's not. This is about 10 grams heavier, and this is lighter. The Monster Go is about 70 grams. This is around 80 grams. And I have a lot of lubrication in here, so maybe that's the difference. I wanted to get the newer GAN robot. I say newer because it's actually not super new. This works with the app. This does not work with CubeBeast at the moment. I've talked to the designer of CubeBeast, and they said, yeah, not super important yet. So what's new about this one is it scrambles it about twice as fast. So if I go back to this ranked, it doesn't give me the scramble. Oh, it can, but I just put it in here, close it in. It's a little loud. But it scrambles it pretty fast. Now the 15-second timer starts right away, which is a little, but I get it. No cheating. Oh, shoot, I did that wrong. Yeah, I need to move the camera a bit so I can see. So I'm just going to move it like right there. So when I'm solving, it's more here. I'll just keep that where it was. And I'm going to move myself. It does 2 moves to make sure you can tell what sides this are. Once you know 2 sides, you can figure out the rest. And it's all set. So it scrambles it quite fast. And as unnecessary as that is, it's a lot of fun. Oh, there we go. I'm going to do one more. Now, if I do this, yep, come on. There we go. The other thing I like about having the scrambler is that it feels more like a competition. You're just getting a completely scrambled puzzle. You're not doing anything else to it. That was a weird H perm. So yeah, that's it. Would I recommend it? Well, I'd recommend the robot if you want to be excessive and just have some fun with that. As far as the puzzle, the magnet adjustment is nice. The performance isn't really any different. However, I'm wondering what it would be like with this one with the magnets. The pieces are practically the same. The only difference is my Monster Go is much more worn in. But those pieces are the same. So what if I just swap them out? So what if I just put these in here and then put the Monster Go back in here? That way I get the 280-hour battery. I get the stronger magnets. And I believe it should still work with the robot. It's got those same center caps. While I'm changing these, I've been, much as I don't admit it, having fun posting to TikTok. I'm going to also put some of that on Instagram, on Reels. Someone mentioned that TikTok is actually banned in their country, so they can't see any of the new stuff I'm posting. But what I like about that is that, or what I not like about banning it, what I like about posting to TikTok is that it can be a bit more random. Like I'm going to be posting a lot more me playing the electric violin. I'm actually, right after I finish this video, I'm going to play a bit of the cello for something else I am working on. Oh, I'll just say what it is. I'm working on the first mosaic, and I could play the electric violin and just drop it down an octave, but I think it'd be better if I just played the cello. So I'm going to do that. Let me know in the comment section below what you prefer as far as a battery. Would you like something that lasts 280 hours that you have to unscrew a part to replace a battery that costs about $2? Or would you rather have something last 15 hours that you can charge? Let me know down below what you prefer. Personally, I like the longer battery. Did I change all of them? Let's find out. Okay, I think I did. So let's change the cube now. Let's add a different one. So I will, and you can actually connect two cubes to the same thing here. So two people can use the same app. Oh, and let's reset the scramble. Okay. Let's see, so first off, magnets do feel a little stronger. I don't think the corner's different in this. Nice. Okay. I think I'm just going to scramble by hand. Yeah, I prefer the robot for scrambling without competition. But with competition, I like that extra few, like half a second or so of just scrambling and looking at it. Okay, nice solve, 10.8, good job. Okay, 2 and 2. Final one. It definitely is clickier, but I need to experiment with tensions. I feel like that's tighter than that one. So the white springs, or the white tensions, might actually be different in the Monster Go just a little bit. I mean, look how tight that is compared to that. So I think this one is a little bit looser. So I might change out some of the springs to see how that goes. But for the price, it's still a bit much compared to the Monster Go. If you want those changeable magnets and you don't mind charging, and that way you never have to replace the battery, that would be a way to go. If you like to mess around with other random equipment and you like to just have it scramble it for you, it's surprisingly nice to do that. So that is my review of the GAN i3. It's not a huge game changer. It's just another one in a series. Add something new, take some things away. If you want to check out my full mega comparison of the Bluetooth puzzles, there'll be a link in the description for that. Please like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and it's always step by SpeedCubeShop.com for more news and reviews.